Hey everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your SVGs. So once you click on the link in your email, you're going to end up on this screen. So I am using my iPad, and this is what it's going to look like once you land on the drive via your iPad. So you click on the link in the email. This is where you're going to end up, and I'm using the Drive app inside the iPad. So this is what you're gonna see. You'll have your there's a document to guide you how to upload SVGs, but if that doesn't work, you can check out. I'm sure you're watching this video as well. So once you click on the project SVGs, you're gonna see SVGs like this. They're not ready to use yet, so that's why we need to install this app called iZip. So I already have that installed. You can go to the App Store and just look for the app called iZip and just go ahead and install this. So I already have that. Next, when you click on the file, you'll see that it says unsupported file type. So don't worry about that. As long as it's a zip folder, it's okay. So don't worry about anything else. So just click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on open in, and now you need to select iZip. So just tap on iZip and it will open up the file inside iZip, and it will ask you, would you like to unzip all files? So just click on OK, and now you can select both of these files and create a new folder. You can click on save to files and you can create your own folder for this event. So let's go. I don't want to create it here. So on my iPad, I am gonna create a new folder, GBC, Gifts and Business with Cricut. So I want to save all my SVGs in here, and you can save both the items and click on save. So now the font is uploaded. So this is the font for Beth's workshop. Let's upload an SVG so we can see it in Design Space. So this is Shelly's SVG. Just click on the file, click on the three dots, click on open in, and once again we're gonna click on iZip. It's asking to unzip. Yes please. And this file is ready, so I'm gonna save it to my folder. No need to compress it again. Save to files, and you can see this is GBC folder, and click on save. Now let's go to Design Space and try to upload this. Once you're in Design Space, just click on New Project and then go to Upload. Select Browse Files. So we have just saved the images in the file. So I'm going to click on Browse Files. And you can see these are the SVGs. Just going to go on my iPad. So the SVG here is the one with the smallest size. And as you can see, this is the smallest one. So I'm just going to click on that. Going to name it as Coffee, or you can name it as a project Shelly's Coffee design, and there you go. We have the SVG in here. How do we know this is an SVG? Because if you go to layers, you'll see all of these different layers. If it's a PNG, you won't have all of these layers. So this is an SVG, and now you can start cutting it out. So I hope you found this helpful. If you need any help, feel free to ask in the group.